Hi, I am an RA from Newcastle University, and I recently got the opportunity to do a one-to-one writing session with Pete Moore at Think Right. Found the session really useful and got some really helpful feedback regarding the structure, layout and overall writing style of the document I'd sent over. It was really helpful getting feedback from someone who clearly has a lot of experience in the reviewing process and could advise me on how best to get my manuscript accepted. One thing that really shocked me was just how much time Pete had clearly spent looking into the background of the research which I do, and so he could give me some really helpful advice. I would recommend it to anyone who has the opportunity to do it. It really did restore my passion in writing.